Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to welcome all the new subscribers. I remember 2 months back I had like around 172 subscribers, but now I have 185 subscribers. This is a huge milestone for me because I wasn't really uploading any as such videos, so wondering where I was. I'm gonna give you all the details. This is a video dedicated to my life update. So yeah, let's get into the video. And this person wasn't invited to this video. Okay, so first of all, where was I? If I'm being very honest to you guys, I was not in a good mental health state. I would say like I was going through some things on my own. Like rarely some people knew what I was going through. Like, so what happened 2 months back, why I stopped uploading. I not just uploading, why I stopped filming completely. Like I wasn't even active on my Instagram as well. If you follow me there, you know that I wasn't uploading any reel, any video, any photo, rarely any, just for the sake of it. But I wasn't really feeling like shooting it because see, my YouTube and my Instagram is what I love to do, right? Of course, I would love for it to turn it into a full-time job for me, but for now on, it's not happening. That is okay because we will reach that milestone also, but for now on it's not happening. So I have a job right now. I work a full-time job as well, and I usually shoot on the weekends, that is Saturday, Sunday. One day I take out dedicatedly all my reels, YouTube videos, everything, and then one day I rest, and then in the weekdays after my full-time job I take out an hour or so to edit. But then I started really I went into this whole what I can say it, like an imposter syndrome slump. If you don't know what an imposter syndrome is, it is basically my own beliefs questioning. That's how I can explain you into the simple terms. Like I was questioning what I'm doing. Is it right? Is it wrong? Will I be able to reach the milestones that I've like set for me, or my goals and my dreams? And then I was started second guessing every single move that I was making, online or offline. Do I like my job? Do I not like my job? Can I stay in this job? Should I quit my job, or should I quit YouTube? Should I quit Instagram? Because you know, I believe there comes one point in every single creators, content creators, like especially when they are like, should I just shut it down? Because you know, it's not easy being a content creator. Some days your likes are low, some days your reach are low, some days your reels are not working, some days your YouTube videos are not working. But then you know, we have to be very patient, and sometimes we lose that patience. And I was second guessing it. I was talking to my friends, should I quit it? And they were like, no, it's gonna take some time, but you shouldn't quit it. And I said like, yeah, I know it's gonna take me time, I'm gonna reach where I want to be, but right now I just feel like giving it up. But I didn't, because if I would have given up, I would have probably deleted my channel and everything and created a private Instagram account. But I'm not doing that because I really want this thing to work out, and I know that I am gonna put in my 100% in doing that. So now I'm in a mental state where I'm like, no, I'm gonna hustle, I'm gonna work hard for the next 2-3 years, and it is going to give me the life that I want, because I know, because I believe in myself. So last night I was like awake till 5. I was planning everything on what days to shoot what days to upload what. So right now for the month of October I am sorted out for YouTube, I am sorted out for Instagram, hopefully. Not really sure about Instagram, but for YouTube I am 100%. Like till 30th October I think I have every single thing that I know that I have to upload on this day, this day, this day. So I have a thing that I have to share, but I think it's gonna take few more weeks until unless I'm like 100% sure that yes, you know, now it is to be made public. So you will get to know it on the YouTube as well. During these past 2 months I have also somehow managed to grab some collaborations which are in the process right now. So they are mostly for Instagram, but I'm gonna make sure that I talk about it on my YouTube as well, because I want my YouTube community to benefit from it as well. And also in this past 2 months, I think just a few days back, I have stepped into this I would say I've stepped into this phase of my life where I have like literally forgiven everyone. If you follow me on Instagram, you must have seen this story which I uploaded on my gram after midnight, where I was sending a message to my friend, and I was like, you know what, I have forgiven everyone. I am done. I don't want any revenge. I don't want to say anything bad to them. I am done. All I wish for them is that they heal themselves and they become a better version of themselves, and their whatever hurtful actions that they took towards me, they don't define me, because I was perfect the way I was. I gave in my all. So yeah, that's happened. So yeah, that was the life update. I'm sorry for not being uploading, but I hope you understand that for me that 2 months break was important to get my life together. I still don't know what the future has in store for me, but I hope whatever it has all things good, and even if there are some ups and downs, I'm ready for it. I'm ready to learn from everything. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys understood why I was on a break, but now I'm back in my creative energy flow, and I hope this remains till the end of the time that we come to the end of this video. I hope you guys like this mini life update, and on Friday there's going to be a new video published, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you know whenever I'm uploading a video. If you want to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, all of them are linked below, and I will see you guys on Friday. Bye.